Hello, welcome to today's drawing episode. I hope you enjoy it. Today we will be drawing a very realistic flower. I hope you enjoy. So, the very first step is simple. We just draw a circle about the size of the paper. And then the next step is also simple. Just draw a circle around that circle. If you want to make it look extra fancy, to make it look like a real flower, you can draw some little lines for little puffs or anything on your flower. We will just draw a flower how we want, but if you want to, you can have a fake or real flower brought in your drawing space and copy what that looks like. Right. So we have done the middle, and then we're going to do the outside. So to do that, you really just have to draw petals like you usually would. I like to draw it on all four sides. And then you really just keep adding petals. You just keep adding petals. It might look not so well in the beginning, but I promise you it will look fabulous in the end. The more petals you add, the more prettier it looks. So first you like to get around, kind of get the feeling of the shape. Then you can just keep adding more petals. If you don't have to copy what I'm doing, just keep adding petals till it's till just add as much petals as you want. But just be aware, the more petals you do, the more coloring you'll have to do. And there. So that completes the drawing of our flower. So we finished doing our drawing, so now we have to color. So we're going to color the middle first. You're going to need these 3 realistic colors, a bluish green, a brown, and a yellow. So if you just need any other colors, feel like coloring however you want. So we're going to mix colors. So we're going to start with the darkest color, which is probably brown. And you're just going to color that till it's all filled in. All right, so we have our brown colored in. Then we're going to put that brown aside. And then we're going to use our green and kind of just color a light layer of green over top of the brown. You probably can't see the color from all the way back here. Look really close up. I've added some green. Put the green aside and add a little bit of yellow just to get a realistic color out of it. There. So now we've done the very inside. So for these, we're just going to need yellow and brown. So we're going to do a really light brown this time. Just really delicate brown. You can turn the paper around if you need to. Perfectly fine with me. doesn't matter how you really draw your flower. It's all gonna look great in the end. And then you're just gonna color the yellow on top of it so you can see a bit more yellow. So, we finished up with these colors, so we're just gonna put them aside. And now, here's the tricky part. So, pick 2 colors out for your petals. I have a light blue and a dark blue. So, we're gonna have our colors and we're gonna choose a petal. And we're gonna start like coloring in our petal. We're gonna start coloring in with the darker color. Color it nice and dark if you need necessary. Trace it if you need to. But don't color the whole thing. Stop a little early. Get your other color and kind of blend it in to your petal a little bit. So same thing with the next petal. You're going to trace it. Then you're going to blend it in with the blue. Then you're going to trace it. Color it in. And blend it in with the blue. So just really keep coloring till that's finished. And if you finish it correctly, it will turn out looking like this. And then there's only one more thing left to do. So you sign your name in any writing you'd like. There, I signed my name and now I'm finished. Bye. See us in the next video to learn how to draw more things like this. If you have any questions, please text it down in the comments so I can answer your questions in the next video.